Russia is making a bold statement on the future of naval warfare. At Fleet 2026, one of Russia's biggest maritime defense exhibitions, the country is set to unveil a new generation of AI-powered sea drones, stealth warships, advanced submarines, and autonomous underwater systems. And according to defense analysts, these technologies could signal a major shift in the global race for maritime dominance. From June 10 to June 14 in Kronstadt, Rosoboronexport, Russia's state arms export agency, will showcase what it describes as a complete portfolio of next-generation naval warfare technologies. The event comes at a time when the world's major military powers are investing heavily in artificial intelligence, autonomous weapons, and stealth capabilities. One of the biggest attractions at the exhibition will be Russia's new unmanned maritime platforms, including the Breeze, BEK-6, and other autonomous surface vessels designed for modern naval combat. What makes these systems particularly interesting is their combination of artificial intelligence and stealth technology. According to Russian officials, these unmanned vessels are built using special composite materials that help reduce their radar signature, making them harder to detect during both coastal and open sea operations. These platforms are not limited to a single mission. They can conduct reconnaissance, electronic warfare, maritime security patrols, and even offensive attack operations. Their modular design allows operators to quickly adapt them for different battlefield requirements. The rise of these autonomous systems reflects a growing belief among military planners worldwide that future naval conflicts will increasingly rely on unmanned and semi-autonomous assets. Recent conflicts have demonstrated how relatively low-cost drones can threaten far more expensive military platforms, forcing navies to rethink traditional strategies. Russia is clearly trying to position itself as a major player in this rapidly expanding market. But the surface drones are only part of the story. Russia will also display advanced underwater autonomous systems, such as the MMT-300 autonomous underwater vehicle and the Clavecine-1RE unmanned underwater platform. These underwater drones are designed for intelligence gathering, reconnaissance missions, surveillance operations, and strategic underwater warfare. As competition intensifies beneath the oceans, autonomous underwater vehicles are becoming a critical component of modern naval power. Many experts believe underwater robotics will play an increasingly important role in protecting critical infrastructure, monitoring strategic waterways, and conducting covert military operations. Alongside its robotic systems, Russia is also highlighting a range of stealth warships designed for modern naval combat. One of the key vessels being promoted is the Project 11356NG frigate, equipped with advanced air defense systems capable of engaging multiple threats simultaneously. Another major attraction is the Tiger-class corvette, featuring the Zaslan multifunction radar system, which enhances battlefield awareness and air defense coordination. Russia is also showcasing the Karakurt-E corvette, a compact but heavily armed missile warship capable of launching long-range precision strikes against both sea and land targets. Despite their relatively small size, vessels like the Karakurt-E are designed to deliver significant firepower while remaining more affordable than larger destroyers or cruisers. Many of these warships incorporate stealth features intended to reduce radar, infrared, and acoustic signatures. In modern naval warfare, survivability often depends not only on offensive capability, but also on the ability to avoid detection in the first place. Russia's strategy appears to focus on combining stealth, mobility, and precision weaponry to maximize combat effectiveness while controlling costs. Another important vessel on display will be the Alexandrite-E mine countermeasure ship, developed specifically for mine warfare operations using modern detection systems and low-signature construction techniques. The emphasis on mine warfare reflects an often
This approach is particularly attractive to countries seeking greater self-reliance in defense production and reduced dependence on foreign suppliers. Ultimately, Fleet 2026 is more than just a military trade show. It is a showcase of how Russia sees the future of naval warfare. A future where artificial intelligence controls unmanned vessels, where stealth technology makes warships harder to detect, where underwater drones expand surveillance and combat capabilities, and where autonomous systems work alongside traditional warships and submarines in a fully networked maritime battlefield. As global competition at sea continues to intensify, the technologies unveiled at Fleet 2026 may offer an important glimpse into the next generation of naval power. The question now is whether these systems will simply be exhibition highlights or become the foundation of future maritime warfare around the world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more defense and military technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.